This is a list of 9 herbs may rejuvenate pancreatic beta cells to permanently cure diabetes. Pancreatic beta cells are crucial cells within the pancreas responsible for producing insulin and amylin. These hormones play a vital role in managing food metabolism and various biochemical processes in the human body. Safeguarding these cells is essential for overall well-being. Whether individuals are contending with diabetes or other conditions impacting beta cells, the information in this video aims to assist in identifying herbs that support beta cell repair and pancreatic protection. Always consult your health care professional before making any changes to your medication or lifestyle. For those with a predisposition to diabetes, the article compiles a diverse selection of herbs that may potentially ward off early-onset diabetes or even reverse its effects. It is imperative, however, to conduct thorough research on these herbs to ensure both safety and efficacy. But some of the herbs we mention are used for centuries as culinary ingredients. The exploration of beta cell repair holds significant promise in diabetes treatment. Numerous growth factors and agents have been identified for promoting the differentiation or regeneration of pancreatic cells. Examples include nicotinamide, glucagon-like peptide, gastrin, activin A, beta-cellulin, hepatocyte growth factor, and more. Several herbs listed in this article exhibit similar properties or stimulate the release of these agents, potentially contributing to beta cell regeneration and overall pancreatic health. Here is a list of herbs that may aid in beta cell regeneration. Number 1. Bitter melon, known for its potential to lower blood sugar levels. Number 2. Fenugreek, contains compounds that may stimulate insulin production. Number 3. Turmeric, exhibits anti-inflammatory properties that may support pancreatic health. Number 4. Ginseng, some studies suggest it may enhance insulin secretion. Number 5. Ceylon cinnamon, may improve insulin sensitivity. Used extensively in cooking in Asia. Aloe vera, research indicates potential benefits for diabetes management. But overconsumption may be harmful. Number 6. Gymnema sylvestre, known for its anti-diabetic properties. Number 7. Bilberry, blackberry and blueberry, contains antioxidants that may support pancreatic function. Number 8. Tamarind also has some added benefits of anti-diabetic effect. In addition, it will lower the GI of your food due to acidity. Claims of tamarind seed extract causing pancreatic beta cell renewal and increase in glucose entrance to muscle and adipose tissue cells need to be further investigated. Number 9. Fig leaf gourd or Cucurbita ficifolia, this seems to be the most promising one according to research done on mice. I am growing some in my home garden to see the effect. We'll report on that in a later video. This variety of pumpkin has been shown to rejuvenate beta cells and restore insulin production in diabetic rats according to research done in China. Even though it is titled as pumpkin, the actual fruit used for treating is a medium-sized whitish-yellow fruit. Within 30 days of feeding rats with the extract, plasma insulin levels in the diabetic rats were restored to 95% of insulin levels in normal healthy animals. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating these herbs into your routine, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications. Think, your health is very important for your family as well. Do not forget to click the like button and subscribe. Thanks very much for watching this video. Up above you see a video related to health. It will be more helpful to you and your family. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.